26.
26. Okay, what do you do for a living?
Okay, this is umukunzi, my best friend.
I said, what do you do for a living?
From Rwanda.
I said, what do you do for a living?
From Rwanda, Kigali City.
What did you say, baby girl?
No.
I said, what do you do for a living?
Kigali.
Huh?
Kigali.
That's what you do for a living, Kigali?
Yes.
Really? What do you do in Kigali?
I'm businessman.
You are what?
I'm businessman.
You businessman?
Yes.
Okay. What type of a man are you looking for?
What?
What type of a man are you looking for?
Oh, when I get break. I'm going to home in my lunch.
Okay, I said, what type of a man are you looking for?
No, I'm going to home in my lunch.
I said, what type of a man are you looking for?
Me go outside.
Me go outside. Me home.
So what age range are you looking for?
No.
What age range are you looking for?
No. Me home. I'm going to home in the lunch. Lunch. Snack. Mfano.
Tell me, my sister, I'm listening. Are you single?
Yes, I'm single. I'm single.
Okay, yes. So I'm asking, what type of a man are you looking for? Huh?
Today no job.
I said, what type of a man are you looking for?
Today no job. What?
Today no job.
Yes. Me home.
I said, what type of a man are you looking for?
Man.
Looking what?
For a man, what type of a man are you looking for? Exactly. Explain to me what type of a man are you looking for?
For looking what? I don't understand.
Do you not understand?
Looking for men. What?
Do you understand looking for men?
Okay, what age range are you looking for?
For what?
For what?
My sister, I want to talk to one person, not two. This one, go. I'm asking this one, don't talk. You are disturbing this one. You understand?
Speak, another speak.
Yeah, I'm asking you, are you single?
Yes, I'm single.
Okay, answer my question one. Don't answer that girl, she must close her mouth. The other one, she mustn't talk.
Okay.
Tell her to stop talking. I'm talking to you. You are the one who requested. The other one, she mustn't answer anything.
Yes. Me.
Yes, tell her to stop telling you what to say. You know, she's disturbing you. I want to understand you very well. I'm asking you, are you single?
Yes, I'm single.
Okay, so what type of a man are you looking for?
Today no job.
Huh?
Today no job.
Today no job.
Yes.
So what are you doing here in this platform? What do you want from me to help you? Because me, I help people to find love online. What do you want me to help you with?
Okay. Nothing. My home is nothing. Yes.
So you are not looking for a man?
No.
So why are you here?
Home.
You are home.
Yes.
Guys, Murango is better. Starting from today. You respect Murango. I'll never be patient. You're very patient. Guys, I want to try to understand them, huh? I want to try to understand this girl. Maybe the other girl, she's the one who's putting words on her. That's why I say to that girl, she mustn't talk because she's telling her wrong things. Huh?
What?
Why is she telling you what to say? Isn't it it's you are looking for a man?
Not teacher.
Not teacher.
So what type of a man are you looking for? Tell me.
What?
What type of a man are you looking for?
45. 14.
45.
Yes.
You see, the problem is that other girl, she was telling her to say things that are not okay. Now she can understand. Why is she doing that other girl?
Why?
Guys, you know, when you come and introduce yourself, if you don't know how to speak English, don't request, please. I'm also patient, but sometimes it's something else, you know. She can't even hear or understand what I'm saying, you know. And she's very young.